Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will discuss our end of unit review. It is just a summary video. So let's start now. So we already discussed till these questions. So let's talk about the other question, like here question number 8. Okay. So here Raj is tossing a coin. Okay. The two possible outcomes are heads and tails. If the outcome are equally likely, what are the probability of each outcome? So, first of all, 24 divided by 40, that is your answer that you will get 16 divided by 40. So, with the help of this, you will get equally likely outcome. What is the total probability? Its probability will be um, what we call it. Let's suppose we simplify this. Here we have 40, sorry, 24 divided by 40. So, answer will be 10 and 6. So the probability of this one, first one will be 60. Here will be 60 because we multiply by 10 here and 10 here. This is 60, this is 100. So it will be 60 and the other will be 40. Let's see. Question number 8. Okay, so the probability, actually the real probability will be 50 and 50. Okay, once if you toss a coin. Okay, but the other sense it's 0 0.6, that is equal to 60, and 0 0.4, that is equal to 40%. Okay, that is for B part. uh, because he's recording, because in if you I give you a coin and I'm talking about just for equally likely means 50% here and 50% there. But if you are using this result, so you will get your answer, that is 60 and 30. So the Raj friend Vivier says that the Raj is not throwing a fairly because of the probability from the experience are wrong. Raj says that you should not expect an experiment to give the exactly the same result as equally likely method. Who, who do you think is correct? So according to this, Raj is correct. Okay, because it is not important, because once you throw you will get that is a fair dice. Okay, because sometimes it's come head, sometimes it's come tail, but equally likely it's that it's not it's a theoretical. If you I'm talking about theoretical, so it's a 50 and 50%, but in real life, in experimental life, so it must be this type of result you will see. So let's come to the end of unit review. Okay, so end of unit review, choose the correct words of the phrases. Okay, the coin will come head each time when it is spun three times. So it's a certain. First of all, first one will be sorry, unlikely. Yeah, unlikely. Why unlikely? Because he's talking about coins. Okay, so here you can see here this one. He say unlikely because coin, once you flip, it is not always. It is not possible that it always come at head or tail or anyone. Okay, so B1, the number shown when the dice is thrown will be less than 8. Okay, less than 8. If you're throwing a dice, so it's 100% less than 8 because the dice is 6. Okay, so dice has 6 sided, so 100%. We call it certain. So, okay, so look at here, the answer will be certain. Okay, this is called certain. Okay, now it will be rain in the next month. It's depend, like it's depend the situation, okay, or the predictions. Okay, let's see here. Look at here. It depend where you are. Okay. Okay, the population of the world will be less in 20 years time than it now. No, population is increase, so it's we call it very unlikely. Okay, not impossible. We call it very unlikely. Because impossible means 0% chance, so there are possible chance, like you can see here the corona time, the growth is not increased but actually it's decreases. Okay, because of the deaths. So as it is same like that, the large jar of the sweet has equal number of red and yellow and orange and no other colors. Anil, take out a sweet without looking. Okay, what is the probability that it's yellow? First of all, yellow. Um, okay. So we call it, it's, I don't know, it's in number or digits. Okay, so here what he do, he just count the color one, two, three, and four. Okay, so total are four, and how many yellow? One yellow, so one by four. Either red or green. Red and green, two by four, that is equal to one by two. Two by four, that is equal to one by two. Not orange. So other than orange, it's a three. So three divided by four. So you can see here, three divided by four. So same like this, you just need to solve this. Here are the answers, so you can check from here. So if you have any question, you can ask me at any time. Thank you, have a good day, see you in the next class.